Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. Now let's move to the next question. Here, how many tens we have? Count in each line. We have 10. So, 10, 110, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Write down 43 in the box. Now the next heading we have is circle the bigger number. Here both the numbers are 2-digit numbers. Now compare the tens place. Here in tens place we have 4. Here in tens place we have 3. Now which number is big? Is it 4 or 3? It is 4. So circle 44. 44 is bigger than 36. Now let's move on to the second question. We have to compare 24 and 22. Here in tens place we have 2 in both the numbers. So let's go on to the ones place. It is 4 here and 2 here, and 2 is small and 4 is big. So circle 24. 24 is bigger than 22. The next sum 36 and 43 you compare, children, and circle which is bigger one. Now here let's move on to the next heading. Circle the biggest number. Out of the 3 given numbers we have to find out which is biggest of the 3. Here the numbers given are 33, 36 and 23. Or here first to check how many digits are there. All are 2-digit numbers. So compare the tens place. In 2-digit number we have to compare the tens place. So 3, 3 and 2. Now which is big in that? 3 is big. But here we have 2 3's. So go for the ones place and compare. It is 3 and 6. So 6 is biggest. So 36. Circle 36. 36 is the biggest of the given 3 numbers. Let's move on to the second question. Here the numbers given are 44, 28 and 32. Now compare the tens place, children, since all are 2-digit numbers. 4, 2 and 3. In this which is big? 4 is big. So circle 4, 44. 44 is bigger than 28 and 32. The next sum you try, children. Let's move on to the next question. The numbers given are 33, 26 and 31. Now let's compare the tens place. 3, 2 and 3. Out of this 2 is smallest. So circle 26. 26 is smaller than 33 and 31. Next sum you try, children. Now let's move on to the next heading. Write the given numbers in increasing order. The meaning of increasing order is arranging the numbers from small to big. Is called increasing order. Here the given numbers are 23, 35, 30, 25 and 34. We have to arrange these numbers from small to big. Here all are 2-digit numbers. In a 2-digit number we have to compare the tens place. So underline tens. Now which is small in this? 2 is small, but here we have 2 numbers with 2. So compare the next place, that is ones place. Next is 3 and 5. So 23, strike out 23 and write 23 in the blank. Next comes 25, strike 25 and write 25 in the second blank. Next go for the other numbers. All are 3 here. Go for the next place, that is ones place. So 0 is small, strike out 30, write 30 in the blank, third blank. Next comes 4. So strike out 34 and write 34 in the blank. Last number left is 35. Write down 35 in the last blank. Now here the second question. The numbers given are 41, 50, 46, 39 and 21. Here all are 2-digit numbers. Compare the tens place first. Which is smallest number here? See 21. Right, strike out 21 and write 21 in the blank. Next comes 3. So 39. Next is 39. Next is 4. So but we have 2 4s. Now compare the ones place. Here it is 1. So write 41. Next is 46. Last is 50. Write down 50. So the numbers we have arranged in increasing order. Now let's move on to the next question. Write the given numbers in decreasing order. The meaning of decreasing order is arranging the numbers from big to small is called decreasing order. Here in the first question the given numbers are 34, 25, 40, 45 and 30. We have to arrange these numbers in decreasing order, that is big to small. Since all are 2-digit numbers, we have to compare the tens place 3, 2, 4, 4 and 3. But here 2 4s are there, 4 is big, 2 4s are there. So go for the next place, that is ones place, and compare. So 0 and 5, 5 is big. Strike out 5, 45 and write 45 in the blank. Next comes 40, strike out 40 and write 40 in the second blank. Next is 3. Now compare the ones place 34. Next comes 30. The last one is 25. The given numbers now are arranged in decreasing order. Let's move to the next question. Here the given numbers are 31, 20, 46, 32 and 26. We have to arrange these numbers in decreasing order. So since all are 2-digit numbers, we have to compare the tens place. Underline tens place, children. Now in this, which is biggest number? 4 is big. So strike out 46 and write 46 in the first blank. Next comes 3. But here 3 we have 2 3s. So go for the ones place and compare. Here 2, 32, strike out 32 and write 32 in the second blank. Next comes 31. Strike out 31 and write 31 in the third blank. Next here we have 2, 20 and 26. So which is big? 26 is big. Strike out 26 and write 26 in the blank. Last is 20. Strike out 20 and write 20 in the blank. Did you understand, children? All of you open page number 85 and write today's date, children. Let me read the first question for you. Here we have the first heading, a value for you. Now let me read the question for you, children. Mrs. Smita and Mrs. Radha are 2 teachers. Mrs. Smita teaches class 1 and Mrs. Radha teaches class 2. They took their students out in the garden to plant some saplings. Here are 2 teachers by name Mrs. Smita and Mrs. Radha. They took their students to a garden. Mrs. Smita's class planted 25 saplings. Mrs. Radha's class planted 36 saplings. Now which class planted more saplings? Come on, tell. That is of class 2, Mrs. Radha's. So write down Mrs. Radha's class. Which class? Mrs. Radha's class, that is second class, class 2. Now the next question we have here. Why did the teachers encourage planting saplings? Now what do you think, children? Why did the teachers encourage planting? They took the students out in a garden and encouraged them to plant the saplings. Why do you think so? Because plants are very useful for us. They give food, they bring rain, they give medicines. So plants are very useful for us. So planting of plants around our houses or in gardens is necessary nowadays. Now let's move on to the next heading, that is ask your buddy. Here write 4 numbers. You have to write 4 numbers here. Ask your partner to arrange the numbers in order. In which order you want your partner to arrange? Is it increasing order or decreasing order? Your partner has to arrange. For that, you yourself write 4 numbers and write down in increasing and decreasing order, children. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.